I want you guys to check these ones out. Extraneous solutions, I will sometimes call them phantoms. They are extra answers. That's all an extraneous solution is it is an extra answer, which is not a solution. Not a solution to the problem. Now, a lot of you are already familiar with these. When we solve any problem that's about, like, find the radius, find r. If it's a quadratic and you get that r equals 6 and -3, well, you know that it can't be -3. That's an extraneous answer, an extraneous solution. So it's just a solution that doesn't make sense. So here we go. Step 1, isolate your absolute value. Great. Step 2, check to see if this other side of the equal sign is positive or 0. And we don't know what it is. So we have to solve it and check it at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly what we did before. We're going to just use this expression. We're going to solve for 2x plus 12 equals 4x. You're going to solve for the original. And we're going to solve for the opposite of 4x, which is 2x plus 12 equals -4x. Great. We can solve this problem. It is not terrifying, so please don't let it do that to you. Minus 2x from both sides, and we'll get 12 equals 2x. If we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get that x is equal to 6. Hooray! Over here, I'm going to just subtract 2x from both sides. Great. And we're going to get the 12 equals -6x. And we're going to divide both sides by -6. And we're going to get that x is equal to -2. Awesome. I don't even have to plug this in to the full equation to check it. All I need to do is this. If you just look at the 4x, if I plug in 6, I'm going to get that the absolute value is equal to 24. Well, that is a thing, yes. If I have all the time in the world, I'll plug it in everywhere. But when I plug in the -2, I get 4 times -2, which is equal to -8. And your absolute value can't equal -8. So this is the extraneous solution. I'm going to help you get this next one set up, and then you are going to finish it and submit these notes. So we want to get this absolute value all alone. So I am going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2, because the inverse of 1/2 would be 2 over 1. So we're going to multiply this by 2, and we're going to multiply this side by 2. And we are going to get 3n plus 5 is equal to 12n plus 8. Great. This is where it gets a little tricky. You need to solve for 12n plus 8 and its opposite, which means you need to put a set of parentheses around this. We need to solve for 3n plus 5 equals 12n plus 8. And we also need to solve for 3n plus 5 equals the opposite of 12n plus 8. And I would distribute this negative and then proceed with my solving. So finish it up, submit it to Schoology, and move on to the next set of problems.